Yes, Miami. Okay, I see me already. Miami Carnival. All right, Miami Carnival. I'm gonna see you this year. No, definitely not.
I may not be right for you, but I'm right for somebody. Yeah, 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 yeah. I looking good, I feeling good, I real good, I real good. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hey, kings and queens, it's your girl Queen Lika, and we're back with another video. Sis just keep getting mail. Like, so I ordered this. When did I order this? I think I ordered this last week. This got shipped out this morning and I received it this evening. Because I still got packages I ordered from since last, well, I can't say last. I got packages from orders from weeks ago. Weeks ago. Still waiting for them to get shipped. Let's go ahead and open this package. So this is from Essential Shades. I'm gonna put all the information in the description below. I really need some new shades. Like, I love sunglasses. And then a new brand. This is a brand new brand for y'all, for your head top, okay? This is another black owned business. Essential Shades. I'm so excited to do this unboxing for you guys. Let's get into it. So I ordered 4 pairs of shades, yes. And guess how much they cost each shade? $10. $10, bro. $10. You know I love to save y'all some money. And I love to save me some money. $10, okay? So I'm gonna let y'all know what's the name of each shades that I got. I'm gonna read them for you. I'm gonna actually have a clip of me trying on these glasses. I'll show it to you guys. I'm gonna insert the clips. So the cool thing about these shades, I love that it's called Essential Shades during this time, is essentially needed, okay? These are essential right now. Each shade is named after a city, so I'm gonna name off each city for you guys. Ooh. 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 These are Miami. These are cute. Over trim, and on the front is like a pink outline. So I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera. Yes, you know what's funny? I wanted big, like, square shades, and then I seen these and I was like, oh, and then they're cheetah. I love a tortoise, like a tortoise shades. Oh, I love it. This one is Chicago. See the square frame. So this one is a plastic frame, and the shade is more of a brownish. And this is Chicago. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. These are mad cute. Hold up. Okay. Look at him. Yes. Yes, Essential Shades, come through. So the frame is plastic, whereas with the light pink color, oh, look at the ends, like there's gold trim on it. And then the frame in the front is gold, but it also has like the overlapping of the plastic pink. These are the LA shades. So the name of these are LA. They're so LA too. Very LA. Very LA. I like how the nose area is like. These are cute. I like these. I think these might be my favorite one. I forgot about these. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Tell me these are not cute. Tell me these are, no, these are my favorite ones. Tell me these are not cute. They're different. Oh, I love a different. Sis, love a different. These are called Aspen. Very Aspen. Okay, I could see this at a ski resort in an all-white ski suit on. Ooh, 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 I see it with some nice ski boots. Ooh. The shading on this is a pink color. It's like a pink color. Like a clear plastic frame. I hope you guys like this video because these shades is bomb as hell. Like, and order you a couple pairs because they're only $10. They come in other colors. I just picked the color that I thought was cute, that I liked. You might like something different. Definitely check it out. I hope you guys like this video. Show you guys, hit the thumbs up, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and I see you guys in the next video.